Market outlook for this week by Precise Trader.
Hello everyone. I welcome you back again on this market outlook for the week 25th May to 29th May. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Okay, this is going to be for purely education purpose, and of course, if you want to try it out, I suggest try it out on a demo account before you put in the real money. Okay, the services we provide on Precise Trader. Okay, we provide live trade signals. We provide trend reports, we provide analytical reports, price level alerts, and we have live workshops and online webinar, proprietary trading, social trading, consultation, and professional trader mentoring. Mainly we provide the live signals we have 5 types of signals. They are mainly scalping, day, swing, momentum, and news. So this is something, and also if you want to get our signals for free, all you have to do is you have to just open an account through our partners and you just fund it with minimum US $1,000 and you will get one of the signals for free. Okay, the economic calendar for next week. Okay, in fact, next week is a short-term trading week, and in fact, US is on holiday on Monday, UK and Singapore. Then Monday we have German GDP. Tuesday we have US CB consumer confidence, new home sales. Thursday we have core durable goods orders, GDP, initial jobless claims, spending home sales, and crude oil inventories. Friday again we have CPI and GDP. This is Euro CPI and Canadian GDP. The trades for the week, okay, what we believe or what we expect is the pound, in fact, we closed at 1 to 160, which is near the low. And we still feel that the trend will continue on this way, and we're expecting the trend to continue sideways down. And the critical level we are looking at is 12130 and 12070. Okay, basically what it means is the price has to break 12130 and even 12070. Then we see the price moving towards 119 figure. This is for next week. And the maximum, the weekly range, the maximum week we are expecting is the maximum high is 12310. In the event, if we get some pullback on the top side, okay, maximum we are expecting is between 12310 and 12310. That's the max. Yeah, and on the downside is our target is 119 figure. So the condition is expect to be in either in a range between 12070 and 12310, and if 12070 breaks, then we are expecting 119 figure. Okay, the next cross we are looking at is Aussie. Okay, this is this closed on 65.35. And we are still expecting the trend to be sideways down on this. And the critical level we are looking at is 64.90 and 64 levels. These are the two critical levels. Once it breaks, then we are expecting the price to move towards 63.30. The expected weekly range for Aussie is between 66.50 to 63.30. And the condition is, of course, we are expecting to be in a range between 64 and 66. If it breaks 64, then we may see 63.30. Otherwise, it would be in a range between 64 and 66.50. Okay, the next cross we are looking at is Canadian dollars or dollar CAD. Okay, this was Friday's close at 140 figure. And the trend we are expecting is sideways up. The critical level we are looking for this is 140.50 and 141.20. So in other words, if it breaks 140.50 and 141.20, then we are expecting it higher towards 142.30. And overall, the weekly range we are expecting between 139.30 to 142.30. And again, this condition is expect to break higher if only 141.20 breaks. Otherwise, we are expecting the market to be within the range between 139.30 to 141.20. So this is the range. If it breaks, then we may see higher towards 142.30. Euro USD, okay, it closed at 109 figure, and the trend we are looking at for next week is sideways down. The critical level we are watching is 108.50 to 107.70. So if these two levels break, then we may see the price moving towards 106.80. Otherwise, we are expecting in a range between 108.50 to 110.20. So most likely we are not expecting any big move next week, but we are expecting a very tight range. Unless if it breaks 107.70, then we may see lower towards 106.80. Last cross which we are looking is USD SGD or dollar Sing. Okay, this was Friday's close at 142.50, and the trend we are looking at is sideways up. Okay, and the critical level we are expecting is 142.80 to 143.30. So if these two levels break, then we may see 144.20. Okay, and of course the expected range, weekly range for next week is 141.80 to 144.20. Expect to break higher, but we need to see the price above 142.80. Otherwise, we may see in a very tight range between 141.80 to 142.80. So these are some of the crosses which we are expecting to have a move, and do take note that next week again, because short-term trading week, we do not expect any big move to happen. Okay, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive our latest videos, and we'll be also giving live signals every day, so you can also get the signals. Thank you for watching. Looking again to see you again next week. Thank you.
Please click to subscribe below. Thank you and see you soon.